Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
It is on fire.
Nana, you wanted a chef, well guess who? Home cooked meals, she will impress you. She's Nana the Saucy Chef, what y'all cooking? A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana the Saucy Chef. She's Nana the Saucy Chef. She's Nana the Saucy Chef. She's Nana the Saucy Chef.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be making meatless collard greens. Guys, make sure you watch the video all the way through. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 2 1-pound bags of Glory collard greens. You want to make sure you wash them thoroughly and remove any big stems. We're also going to need 4 cups of vegetable broth, 2 tablespoons of liquid smoke, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, 2 large garlic cloves minced, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes. To a large pot over medium heat, I'm going to add in my 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and I'm going to let that come to temperature. Next, I'm going to add in my onion. You want your onion to saute for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you want to add in your minced garlic, and we're going to saute that for 1 minute. Now you can add in your 4 cups of vegetable broth. Now you want to bring that to a light boil. You can go ahead and give it a mix. Once your broth has come to a light boil, you want to go ahead and add in all of your collard greens. Once you've added all your collard greens, you can go ahead and put your lid over top. And we're going to lower our heat to low, and we're going to let them simmer for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we're going to add in our liquid smoke. You're also going to add in your black pepper, salt, our crushed red pepper flakes, and also our vinegar. Now you just want to go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. Once it's well combined, we're going to place our lid back on top, and we're going to let it continue to simmer for 1 hour on low heat. Okay guys, it's been 1 hour. Now our greens are done. You can go ahead and mix them. Okay guys, so here we have it, our meatless collard greens. And guys, you don't always need meat to make something taste good. The liquid smoke in this, it gives it so much flavor. So this is another recipe that I hope you guys try out and you enjoy it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?